Hello, this is Arvind here, founder and CEO of Gitmoxi. Today we will take a look at how Gitmoxi does EKS GitOps, and we'll focus on the blue-green deployments. For EKS blue-green deployments, Gitmoxi creates a new revision of the deployments and service and config maps and other objects. Once the new revisions are ready, Gitmoxi will do the traffic shifting using the ingress objects. For ALB, it will manipulate the ingress annotations, and for NGINX, it will work with the secondary ingress object. Let us see how this works with a quick demo. For the demo, we will create a few of the Kubernetes objects such as config map, secrets, ingress, as well as the Kubernetes service and deployment. The deployment definition.yaml contains configuration for Gitmoxi to conduct the deployment. It has details such as how to do blue-green traffic shifting and when to do the deployment circuit breaking. So let's go ahead and commit the changes and merge them. And just like in a true GitOps fashion, Gitmoxi will be listening for those changes and it will trigger the deployment. So it has already created the secrets, the config map, and it will wait for the deployment to become ready. Once the deployment is stable, it will either mark the deployment complete or it will trigger the blue-green deployment. We can confirm that all the objects are created using kubectl CLI. So here we have the pod, the service, deployment, all of them ready. Let's take a quick look at the ingress and do a curl on the endpoint because we are going to use this for blue-green deployment. So here we see that we have a blue version as the message. And now we can change the container to emit a green version. This will help us do the easy blue-green deployment test. So here I've already done those changes. We can take a look at the deployment.yaml. And in there, I have the green version as the message. Great. So let's commit these changes and merge them. And Gitmoxi will trigger the deployment based on the merge. This time around, it will do the blue-green deployment because there is already an existing version. So it will create a version 2. So secret test app v2 config version 2. And it will wait for the deployment to become ready. And then it will start the traffic shifting. So here it has already shifted 30%. So let's do the curl. And we saw some traffic going to the old blue version. And by the time we do this, it's probably already done. Yes, so it looks like the blue-green deployments are complete. So this is very uniform across ECS, Lambda, and EKS. And you can do the blue-green, canary, rolling, all three types of deployments across all of these services, across all the AWS regions, and across multiple AWS accounts. This is what we mean by unified GitOps for ECS, Fargate, EKS, and Lambda. Hope you liked it and you'll give it a try. Let's engage on Gitmoxi. Thank you.